Hi guys, welcome to weekly Forex forecast for the 3rd 7th of July. My name is Andrew Shanetsky. I'm a technical analyst at a fixed trading company, and we begin our forecast with the Euro-USD currency pair. As you can see from the chart, the uptrend, the global uptrend continued, and we saw a strong and abrupt growth of the price. If we take a look at our volume chart, well, we can see that the growth of the price was supported by really large volumes, so that is a good sign for the continuation of this trend. Also, we need to highlight a strong level of support which was created after the correction, after the bearish impulse, and after the creation of this level the price continued growing. It's the level 1.1309, 1.1329. If we take a look at our volume chart again, you see that it contains really large volume, and after that we have a continuation of the uptrend. So given the presence of the strong trend, given the presence of a strong support, of course we should consider opening long positions, but from the current level it's impossible to do that because a stop loss should be set below the support level, and you see that the distance is pretty large, so that we need to wait for a better entry point, for a correction, for a smooth correction of the price. It should be on small volume, and after such a correction we can open long positions, set a stop loss below this level of support, and wait for further growth of the price. A potential the deal is around 100 pips. So for the euro, only long positions should be considered to be open, but we need to wait for a good entry point to get an accessible risk profit ratio. So in such case we can open long positions. Our next currency pair is the British pound against the US dollar. The situation here is totally the same with the euro situation, because we have a strong uptrend, we have a strong and volume level of support. It's 1.2897, 1.2910. Let's take a look at our volume chart. You see that it contains really large volume, and you see that the growth of the price was not just abrupt, but it was supported by large volume too. So all factors are for opening long positions for the pound. So after a smooth correction of the price, because the reason is the same as for the euro, we need to get a good entry point. We open long positions here and wait for further growth of the price. A stop loss should be set below the level of support. A potential of the growth is around 90-100 pips. So for the pound also long positions should be in priority. The Japanese yen, unfortunately the price is trading in the consolidation now. It's a local consolidation near the local maximum. We need to highlight boundaries of this range. The first one is the resistance 112.70. Second one is support 111.85. If we take a look at our volume chart, we can see that pretty large volume is concentrated in this range. So after the Brexit, after the breakout, after the exit of the price from this range, most probable the local trend begins. So of course we need to wait for such a breakout move. This move should be on increased volume, so that we can highlight here two possible scenarios. The first one is the continuation of the global uptrend and the confident breakout of the resistance. Then we can open long positions. A stop loss should be placed below the breakout volume bar. A potential of the growth is around 110-120 pips. The second scenario is a resumption of this local and abrupt fall of the price, and then a strong and confident breakout of the support on 111.85. After that we can open short positions. A stop loss should be set above the breakout volume bar. A potential of the fall is around 110 pips. So we have two possible scenarios. We just need to wait for the price to exit the range, and then we can trade this currency pair. And our last instrument is gold. Well, overall the price is still trading in the consolidation, but we need to note that that gold fell down sharply at the end of last week and tested the level of support twice. If we take a look at our volume chart, you see that both times volume was concentrated at the bottom of moves, and you see that this level contains really large volume. But we need to highlight a very interesting thing. The last time, the last test of this level, the price failed to continue growing, and really we didn't see any strong rebound of the price. And after a smooth correction, up correction of the price fell down, and now is trading on this level. So it's a sign, it's a good sign that gold is willing to break down this level of support, 1238.90, 1241.70, and continue its downtrend. So in such a case, in the case of the strong and confident breakout of this level, we can open short positions, set a stop loss below the breakout volume bar, and the potential of the fall is around 150 pips. So we just need to wait for a good, strong and sharp breakout of this level. Of course, the breakout should be supported by large volume, it's a must condition, and after that the road down will be opened, and we can trade and open short positions for gold. If we take a look at our sentiment, well, all our deals, so the euro deal, the pound deal and gold deal, all of them are confirmed by this indicator. But if we take a look at the yen, you see that it's almost 50-50 here. So it's okay because the price, the currency pair is traded in the consolidation. So it's one more signal that we should stay out of the market until the breakout of the boundary of the range. So overall, there are a lot of interesting scenarios right now for the euro, for the pound and for gold. So all these instruments have pretty interesting situations for trading. Only the yen, we need to wait for an additional signal. So overall, we need to watch for good entry points and trade. So for today it's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this forecast will be useful for you. See you next week. Bye bye.